This is lecture 5. In this lecture we will discuss the selection command and visibility, how to make an object visible and invisible, how we can hide an object, and after that we will see how to assign a material to an object and why it is necessary to assign a material an object. For selection, just right click. Here you can see that if you want to select an object, by pressing a control button you can select multiple object. Now how we can select a face of an object? You can change it from here, face of an object, and also you can change, click from here, select face, and if I want to select top face and bottom face, just rotate it and press control. By pressing control you can select multiple faces. Next is to select an edges. We can change from here and also by right clicking on mouse. In this way I have selected an edges of an object. Similarly, by pressing control I can select multiple edges. Next is how to select a vertex. By pressing control we can select multiple, and also another way to select multiple. In multiple you can click from here whatever you want to select. If I want to select a multiple faces, just in this way, just rotate let's draw in another object. Now here you can see that two objects are intersecting. If I am working on one of object and I can hide another object, just right click and go into a view, and here is a command, hide selection. The selected object has been hide. You can also check it from tools, customize, and here is modeler visibility. First, this command shows hide or show an object from active region. This is for hide and this is for if I want to reappear that object, just press on that and click OK and done. Next, to assign a material to an object. Why it is necessary? Because an object without assigning a material is just in a box, because assigning material will exhibit their properties. go on object, press and assign material. By default, I'm going to draw any 3D object that will be assigned in a vacuum. Whatever object you want to assign a material, for example box 1, this is box 1, right click and assign material. Here is the library of HFSS. For example, I am going to assign that object. Just click on that and press OK. If I want to change any property of this object, just click on that and edit it. For example, I am going to change the permeability 1.1. Just press on OK. And if I want to add an object, new object, and assign with own properties, we can do that by you can change the properties and press on OK. You will find it in a library. Here is it is. Press on OK. Here you can see that in a box 1 a material has been assigned, epoxy 4. For example, box 2 I am going to assign a material. For example, zinc. Press OK. I am going to assign third one object in a material. Press OK. In this way we can assign material to a 3D object. And what will we will assign to a 2D object? Just right click and assign. We will assign it in a boundary or excitation. In coming lecture we will discuss one by one. For example, I am going to assign it a perfect E, perfect conductor. It has been assigned. If I want to duplicate an object, just copy that object, go to edit and edit into a paste. The copy of that object will be here. Similarly, you can delete it. Just going into, if you want to rotate all those objects, just go into view and spin. Just rotate a little and they will automatically start rotation around an axis. In next lecture we will discuss further command, and finally we will draw some HFSS model.